Hey there. Having trouble with copy paste not working in remote browser on desktop connection? Frustrating, isn't it? Copying and pasting is something many of us do so frequently that we hardly even think about it until it stops working. When you're connected remotely to a desktop and suddenly your trusted Control-C and Control-V decide not to cooperate, it can be a real headache. But don't worry, I've got some tried and true methods to help you fix copy paste not working in remote browser on desktop connection, ensuring smooth sailing ahead. Step 1. Check Clipboard redirection. The first step in resolving this issue is to ensure that Clipboard redirection is enabled. In remote desktop protocol settings, there's an option for Clipboard access, which allows you to transfer data between your computer and the remote one. When establishing the connection, click on Show Options, then go to the Local Resources tab. Make sure the Clipboard option is ticked under Local Devices and Resources. If it's not selected, that's likely your culprit right there. Step 2. Restart RDP Clipboard process. If Clipboard redirection was already enabled, you could face an issue with the Clipboard process itself. The process responsible for Clipboard operations in a remote session is called rdpclip.exe. To restart it, follow these steps. Open Task Manager on the remote desktop by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Scroll down to find rdpclip.exe in the list of processes. Right-click and select End Task. Finally, go to the File menu in Task Manager. Select Run New Task, type rdpclip.exe, and hit Enter. This simple restart can often resolve hiccups related to Clipboard functions between your local and remote machines. Step 3. Validate network and permissions. Sometimes network issues or permission settings can interfere with Clipboard functionality. Ensure that your network connection is stable. Additionally, check the firewall settings both locally and remotely, making sure nothing is blocking Clipboard operations. Also, verify that your user account on the remote desktop has the necessary permissions to access Clipboard resources. Step 4. Consider third-party tools. If the issue persists, it may be worth considering a third-party Clipboard manager. Tools such as Ditto or ClipClip can enhance Clipboard capabilities and sometimes succeed where native solutions falter. These tools can manage multiple Clipboard entries, making them particularly useful if you frequently perform complex copy-paste operations. Step 5. Keep software updated. Always ensure your operating system and remote desktop applications are up to date. Software updates often come with bug fixes and improvements that can address connectivity issues, including Clipboard problems. Step 6. Consult IT support or forums. If none of the above solutions resolve the issue, it may be time to consult your IT support team or explore online tech forums. Sharing your specific challenge on platforms like Reddit or Stack Exchange can bring fresh insights from other users who have faced similar difficulties. Tackling the issue of copy-paste not working in remote browser on desktop connection doesn't have to be a daunting task. Whether it's checking settings, restarting processes like rdpclip.exe, verifying network stability, or even exploring third-party solutions, there is a path to resolution. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, and temporary setbacks should never deter you for long. Keep these strategies at hand, and you'll not only fix current issues, but be prepared for any future remote desktop challenges that come your way.